I was just out here earlier. Sunny, beautiful, warm. Now look at what Mother Nature has done. Booyah! Yeah, I saw this tree. It was a full tree. I want to see if the wind blew it down or if it got struck. Can't really tell. Oh, still lightning. Let me be careful, but it's way over there though. Please God, don't let me get struck. Yeah, I can't tell the junk guy. I mean, it looked good. You know what I'm saying? It don't look like it was like rotted or nothing. The junk might have did get struck, bro. Or it could have been weak here because rain came down here and just sat there and soaked through and then got weak and just split. But man, that's how quickly, and it was a lot of wind too. So with the wind and the water going down there for years, it could have got weak and split. Or lightning could have hit it, I don't know. That goes a nest in the middle too.